Want to take screenshots of something on your iPhone screen, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you a couple different ways to take screenshots on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To take a screenshot on iPhone, open whatever page you would like to take a screenshot of. Then quickly press the lock button and volume up button at the same time. If you have an older iPhone model with TouchID, press the home button and the lock button at the same time instead. If this method is challenging for you, or if you have a faulty button on your iPhone, you can ask Siri to take a screenshot for you to do this hands-free. Regardless of which method you choose to take your screenshots, the image will automatically be saved to your Photos app on your iPhone. That's all it takes to take screenshots on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.